Today's video, I'm simply going to take us through a simple process of generating an Igbo Highlife song using AI. To give it this prompt.
No be today, oh. Chai.
So once our lyrics has been generated, visit suno.com. When we visit the homepage of suno.com, we'll click on the Create tab. So once you click the Create tab, you'll be taken to the Creation bar where you can now paste your lyrics. Okay, so you see two options, which are Simple and Custom. For the purpose of this video, just click on Custom. Custom enables you to paste the lyrics generated, while Simple allows you to just give a regular prompt to Suno and Suno will come up with something for you. But we have the lyrics, so we are going to select Custom. So on Custom, we'll paste our lyrics. Under the styles, we're going to manually impute Highlife, as that is the style of song we want to generate. Igbo Highlife song. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the title of that song, or if you have any title in mind, copy it and paste on the title bar of the song. Once you've done that, then click Create and wait for some minutes as Suno generates your sound. So let's listen to the songs generated.
This love no be today, oh. Try. China Kenya oh. Oh yeah, best man, carry me go. When I see your face, my heart dey race. When your mind, you dey scatter my brain. Your smile be like morning. Carry me go. When I see your face, my heart dey race. When your mouth, you dey scatter my brain. No be today, oh. Chai. China Kenya mingi, oh. Yeah, boss man, carry me go. When I see your face, my heart dey race. When your ma, you dey scatter my brain. Your smile be like morning light. It dey shine, it dey sweet like palm wine. Love na music, na you I go play. If life na journey, na you I go day. Baby, you fine past my village moon. In there you dey make my heart dey boom boom boom. You want your ma, beautiful woman. No be today, oh.
So if you noticed, Suno generated 4 variations of songs. 2 are premium preview for you to hear what it will sound like before you subscribe, while the other two you can download for personal use. So between these songs you heard, let me know in the comment section which one you enjoyed most, and let me know if you're going to try this. So these are the simple steps on how to generate an Igbo Highlife song using Suno AI and ChatGPT.
My mama say, son, you don't